So today we're here with
Caroline.
and Caroline is from
Tamarindo, Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Yes.
Ah, 4 states. Costa Rica, man.
Right.
I definitely will come up there.
Yeah, please do.
So, why did you came to Vision Quest? What drove you?
I have been going back and forth on this one, thing that I want to happen in my life for a couple years. And I keep on just going up to the brink and say, it's not so bad the way it is. I'll just keep doing it the way I'm doing it. And then when this came up, I said, no, I'm ready to do this. And so I decided I'm going to this and it's going to kick my butt and I'm going to just do it.
You're rocking here.
Yeah.
You're really rocking.
So that's why I came, to just remove all the blockages the blockages are in me to make this happen. And it's working.
Can you describe what is a block for people that don't know what a block is?
I would say it's more mental. It could be possibly emotional, but it's, for example, for me, it's letting go of something that has worked for me to make my living for 40 years. I've been practicing acupuncture, and now I'm on the brink of giving that up. And instead of working on all these other people, I'm going to be working on me. Because it's that time of my life, which is a wonderful time of your life, when you can give up being a caretaker and a healer and giving all your energy to others in your business and giving all that energy to yourself. Receiving your own,
hallelujah,
your own beautiful energy.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
You're awesome. So, what is it that you vision? What is it that you pull into this reality? What are you going to create in the upcoming years?
My vision is to go and live at meditation retreats. Work on
upgrade.
myself. Yeah, upgrade. Doing retreats like this where it's needed. Yeah.
Across the world?
No, probably in California. There's one that's right near, about an hour and a half from my daughter. And that way I can have much more of a close relationship with my grandchildren, because their grandmother is very important to their development also. Yeah.
So we need to wrap it up.
Okay.
One more thing, last one. All the people who thought you were crazy, all the people said, energy, meditation, Buddhist non, are you kidding me? Tell them what they're missing.
They're missing out on a lot of joy.
A lot of joy.
Happiness. It's true freedom and happiness. That's what they're missing.
And the mind?
The mind, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that question. I don't know exactly what you're asking me.
Where do you live? In the mind or in the heart?
Oh, well, the mind is really consciousness. And so your consciousness is a part of your whole body, I would say. It's definitely probably rooted in your heart. It's not really in our brain.
No.
Yeah. So I would say, yeah, it's more in your heart.